Q7163. How can smoking affect a pilot? A. Can decrease night vision by up to 50%. B. Reduces the oxygen-carrying capability of the blood. C. Creates additional carbon dioxide gases in the body, which often leads to hyperventilation. The correct answer is B. Smoking tobacco products, such as cigarettes, has various detrimental effects on the human body, including the cardiovascular and respiratory systems. These effects can significantly impact a pilot's performance and overall health. One of the ways smoking affects a pilot is by reducing the oxygen-carrying capability of the blood. Tobacco smoke contains numerous harmful substances, including carbon monoxide, which is absorbed into the bloodstream when inhaled. Carbon monoxide has a higher affinity for hemoglobin, the molecule responsible for carrying oxygen in the blood, compared to oxygen itself. As a result, carbon monoxide binds to hemoglobin, reducing its capacity to transport oxygen effectively. When the oxygen-carrying capability of the blood is reduced, less oxygen is available for delivery to the body's tissues and organs, including the brain and muscles. This can have adverse effects on cognitive function, physical performance, and overall well-being. For pilots, maintaining optimal oxygen levels is crucial for cognitive abilities, decision-making, and maintaining situational awareness during flight. The reduction in oxygen-carrying capacity due to smoking can impair these functions, potentially compromising flight safety. It is important for pilots to be aware of the negative effects of smoking on their health and performance. Quitting smoking or avoiding exposure to secondhand smoke is highly recommended to ensure optimal oxygenation of the blood and maintain overall well-being, both in and out of the cockpit. Additionally, it is worth noting that smoking has other detrimental effects on health, such as increased risks of respiratory and cardiovascular diseases. These health issues can further impact a pilot's fitness to fly and overall longevity. Seeking support to quit smoking and adopting a healthy lifestyle are essential steps to maintain optimal health and safety as a pilot. 7171. Anemic hypoxia has the same symptoms as hypoxic hypoxia, but it is most often a result of A. Poor blood circulation. B. A leaking exhaust manifold. C. Use of alcohol or drugs flight. The correct answer is B. Anemic hypoxia is a type of hypoxia where the body's tissues are deprived of an adequate supply of oxygen due to a decreased capacity of the blood to carry oxygen. It shares similar symptoms with hypoxic hypoxia, which is caused by a reduced availability of oxygen in the inspired air. In the case of anemic hypoxia, the most common cause is a leaking exhaust manifold. An exhaust manifold is a component in the engine that collects exhaust gases from each cylinder and directs them to the exhaust system. A leaking exhaust manifold can allow carbon monoxide, CO, a toxic gas produced by the engine combustion process, to enter the cockpit or cabin area. When carbon monoxide is inhaled, it enters the bloodstream and binds to hemoglobin, the molecule responsible for carrying oxygen in the blood. This binding of carbon monoxide to hemoglobin reduces its ability to bind and transport oxygen effectively, leading to anemic hypoxia. The symptoms of anemic hypoxia are similar to other types of hypoxia and may include dizziness, confusion, impaired judgment, headaches, and reduced cognitive and physical performance. It is important for pilots and individuals to be aware of the potential dangers of carbon monoxide poisoning and the symptoms of anemic hypoxia. Regular aircraft maintenance checks, including inspections of the exhaust system, can help identify and address any leaks that may contribute to the presence of carbon monoxide. Taking precautions such as installing carbon monoxide detectors in the cockpit or cabin, conducting regular inspections, and promptly addressing any exhaust system issues can help prevent exposure to carbon monoxide and mitigate the risks of anemic hypoxia in aviation settings. 7160. Hyperventilation results in A. A lack of carbon dioxide in the body. B. A need to increase the flow of supplemental oxygen. C. Breathing too rapidly causing a lack of oxygen. The correct answer is A. Hyperventilation refers to the condition of breathing excessively and rapidly, often characterized by deep or rapid breaths. It can occur due to various factors, including stress, anxiety, or panic. Hyperventilation can affect the balance of gases in the body, particularly the levels of oxygen and carbon dioxide. When a person hyperventilates, they tend to exhale more carbon dioxide from the body than they are producing. This excessive elimination of carbon dioxide leads to a decrease in the carbon dioxide concentration in the bloodstream. Carbon dioxide plays a crucial role in maintaining the body's acid-base balance and regulating breathing. The decrease in carbon dioxide levels caused by hyperventilation can result in respiratory alkalosis, a condition characterized by an elevated blood pH. This shift in pH can have various physiological effects, including vasoconstriction, tingling sensations in the extremities, and dizziness. It is important to note that hyperventilation primarily affects the balance of carbon dioxide in the body, rather than causing a lack of oxygen. Oxygen levels in the bloodstream are regulated by other factors, such as respiration rate and the oxygen content in the inspired air. To address hyperventilation, individuals are often advised to slow down their breathing, focus on deep and controlled breaths, and breathe into a paper bag. Breathing into a bag can help restore the balance of gases by allowing the person to re-inhale the exhaled carbon dioxide, which helps normalize the carbon dioxide concentration in the bloodstream. Recognizing the signs and symptoms of hyperventilation and knowing appropriate techniques to manage it can be important for pilots and individuals in aviation settings. By addressing hyperventilation effectively, pilots can maintain their physiological well-being and ensure optimal performance during flight. 7161. Rapid or extra deep breathing while using oxygen can cause A. Cyanosis. B. Hyperventilation. C. A buildup of dioxide in the body. The correct answer is B. Hyperventilation refers to the condition of breathing excessively and rapidly, often characterized by deep or rapid breaths. It can occur due to various factors, including anxiety, stress, or an improper breathing technique. When an individual engages in rapid or extra deep breathing while using oxygen, it can disrupt the balance of gases in the body. The increased ventilation rate can lead to excessive elimination of carbon dioxide from the body. This reduction in carbon dioxide levels can cause respiratory alkalosis, which is characterized by an elevated blood pH. The shift in the acid-base balance caused by hyperventilation can result in various symptoms, including lightheadedness, dizziness, tingling sensations in the extremities, and a feeling of breathlessness. These symptoms can potentially impair a pilot's performance and decision-making during flight. It is important for individuals using supplemental oxygen to be aware of their breathing patterns and to avoid overbreathing or excessively deep breaths. Maintaining a normal and comfortable breathing rate while using oxygen helps ensure the proper balance of gases in the body. If hyperventilation occurs while using supplemental oxygen, individuals are advised to slow down their breathing, focus on deep and controlled breaths, and allow the body to naturally regulate its carbon dioxide levels. Proper breathing techniques, relaxation exercises, and maintaining a calm mental state can help prevent or alleviate the effects of hyperventilation. Pilots and individuals utilizing supplemental oxygen should be familiar with the signs and symptoms of hyperventilation and practice techniques to manage it effectively. By maintaining a balanced breathing pattern, pilots can optimize their oxygen utilization and enhance their overall performance and well-being during flight. 7162. A person should be able to overcome the symptoms of hyperventilation by A. Increasing the breathing rate in order to increase lung ventilation. B. Slowing the breathing rate and increasing the amount of carbon dioxide in the body. C. Refraining from the use of alcohol and over-the-counter drugs such as antihistamines and tranquilizers. The correct answer is B. Hyperventilation refers to excessive and rapid breathing that can disrupt the balance of gases in the body, leading to a decrease in carbon dioxide levels and respiratory alkalosis. To counteract the effects of hyperventilation, it is important to restore the proper balance of gases. Slowing down the breathing rate is an effective way to address hyperventilation. By consciously reducing the frequency and depth of breaths, individuals can help normalize their ventilation rate and allow carbon dioxide levels to increase. This helps restore the acid-base balance and alleviate the symptoms associated with hyperventilation. Increasing the amount of carbon dioxide in the body is crucial in rebalancing the gases. There are several techniques to achieve this, such as breathing into a paper bag or cupped hands. Rebreathing exhaled air increases the carbon dioxide content inhaled, helping to normalize carbon dioxide levels and alleviate the symptoms of hyperventilation. It is important for individuals experiencing hyperventilation to remain calm and practice controlled breathing techniques. This involves taking slow, deep breaths and exhaling fully to avoid rapid, shallow breathing. Avoiding the use of alcohol and certain medications, as mentioned in option C, can help prevent factors that may contribute to hyperventilation but is not directly related to overcoming the symptoms once hyperventilation has occurred. By consciously slowing the breathing rate and increasing carbon dioxide levels in the body, individuals can effectively manage and overcome the symptoms of hyperventilation, restoring the proper balance of gases and maintaining their well-being.